Okay guys, I'm back. And here's the game. Here it is. Okay, I gotta put, okay, hold on. I need to put, like, my camera, it's on my chair. Hold on. Oh, man. Oh, I can do this. Here. I can, like, put it down here. Yeah, that's how far it goes. Okay. Time to unbox it. Okay. Time to unbox it. Just one sec. I can put my camera all the way back here. Okay. And okay. That's what it looks like in North America. And there's stickers on it. Oh, there we go. I got one. Oh man. Ah, fuck. Sorry for my language. Got it. Okay. I'm like too excited. Get my plastic. Okay. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna put it on a chair. It's a lot better on a chair, but it will like move like squiggly around. Okay. Okay. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry I'm taking so long. Okay. There we go. Okay. I got it like that. Ah, okay. There we go. Okay. And here's the pin. Now I will use it before I upload on YouTube. AR cards. And all this crap. And now, the moment we all been waiting for. In Europe and Japan doesn't come with this, the AC adapter. I got it right here. Let's see it. Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that.